Hello, and welcome to Cisco Vibe Extra at Cisco Live. I'm Jennifer Geisler, and with me I have Jeff Spagnola. He's the VP of Sales for Service Provider for Cloud Solutions. So welcome here, Jeff. Good to see you again.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
So we've been talking a little bit about unified service delivery, and I would love for you to tell us, what is it? And so I can ask you a few more grueling questions around it.
Right, very good. So in the service provider world, many of the service providers have spent a lot of dollars building up their next generation infrastructure. We call it their IP/NGN infrastructure. But with the opportunity that's been presented to them around data center and cloud, we've created an integrated architecture that brings the best of a data center fabric and the best of an IP next generation network fabric together into what we call the unified service delivery architecture.
Oh,
so it's a way to bring these two assets together and differentiate them in the marketplace.
Okay, so fantastic. So how are you going to get them there? Is there some sort of lifecycle management services that you're going to get them to this evolution of now incorporating data center into what they do with their infrastructure?
Right, so we've been working with the service providers for a decade or two in terms of helping them build services that the enterprise customer or the small business might want to buy. And so this opportunity in cloud that is in front of us is another portfolio opportunity for them, right? To add to their portfolio. And so what we need to do is sit down with them and say, okay, what's the market you're going after? What assets are you bringing to the market, right? How do you leverage those assets and differentiate yourself in the market against your competition? So we sit down with them, we talk about the life cycle of how we envision the services, how they might build it in their architecture, and then how we might help them actually sell it in the marketplace collectively in a joint marketing kind of way.
Oh, wow.
So it's a three-tiered, if you will, life cycle methodology we take them through so that they can ultimately get to market quickly and start making money.
Okay, excellent. Now, is this in a relationship to the Cloud Builder program that you have? So, are they match up, or is that just the next step after they do this?
Well, with the global landscape that we're in right now, the channel organization has put together a program that's called the Cloud Partner Program, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
CPP, Cloud Partner Program. And that Cloud Partner Program has three different aspects to it. They have the Cloud Builder, the Cloud Provider, and the cloud enabler or channel, right? So in the service provider world, the service providers we call cloud providers, because they're actually going to build the cloud services themselves, and then they're going to sell those cloud services out into the marketplace, right? But all our channel partners want to play in the cloud business, whether they're resellers, service providers, or small VARs, and we wanted to give them a program holistically that we can implement globally, and that's the Cloud Partner Program.
Okay, so interesting. So we have the Unified Service Delivery, which is all about combining their IP NGN with the data center capabilities to get them ready for cloud.
Right.
And you have the life cycle consulting approach here.
Exactly.
I had to take notes to keep us all straight here.
Very good.
And then as far as working out to the partners, you have the Cloud Builder, so it sounds like everyone can pretty well participate in helping to capitalize on the cloud opportunity.
That's right.
As they sell back into enterprises.
That's right.
That's what they're actually trying to do.
Any market segment, could be public sector, could be large enterprise, mid-market, commercial. Again, depends on what target market you're after, and then what kind of service you would actually put into that market that would be acceptable to them.
So if we have a lot of enterprise, small, medium-sized public sector customers here, so they should be actually looking for partners that have completed these things, whether a service provider or a traditional sell-through partner.
That's right.
They should be asking them, are you part of the Cloud Builder program, for example?
That's right, exactly. And if you go by the booth here, there's a Cloud Partner Pavilion.
Oh, okay.
Right, and where certain partners have gone through the certification process to basically get a badge right, to go out to the marketplace then and market that they are Cisco powered in the context of new cloud services as well. So
Okay.
we've thought about how the enterprise customer or the mid-market, whatever customer might want to be assured that there's Cisco inside, if you will.
Oh, excellent. Okay, great. So they just look for that Cisco, I'll say, powered cloud.
Right.
And Cisco Cloud Builder from a partner standpoint.
Right.
Those are the two things. Excellent.
Exactly.
Now, a little bit of a more difficult question here, because that's all the fun part, right? We're getting
Okay.
all of our people
All right,
helping
I'm
generate
ready.
revenue.
Ready.
Okay. Now, the competitive standpoint.
Yes.
What you're doing and what you're championing there in sales, what makes Cisco so unique compared to what other competitors may be doing? Because it seems like we have a flood of, I don't know if they're all competitors in fact, but we have a flood of people and vendors that are actually in the cloud space.
Right.
So what's unique, what's Cisco that's doing that's so much different than the others?
Well, I think the first thing is that we've made a conscious effort to leverage the partners as our route to market for cloud.
Okay.
Right, so unlike our competition, whether that be HP or others, they have built their own cloud offers and they're going directly to that enterprise, mid-market, whatever customer, right? You know, and the partner play then becomes very lean as far as margins and et cetera, and opportunity. We have taken a completely different approach. We're going to enable the partner to be our route to market, and we're going to help them build, if a customer wants to build a private cloud, we're going to help a service provider offer cloud services themselves, and we're going to help the channel VAR and resellers play in that mix through white label kind of offers that we're building as well. So everybody gets a chance to play. Then we get 280,000 partners out there on the street marketing the Cisco technology and solving business problems with the Cisco technology. So that's a real key differentiation for us. We also, of course, have to innovate.
Yes.
Right, so you can expect us to continue to innovate on our own, and we're doing that all around the show. You're seeing new products, et cetera, getting announced. You know, the UCS platform just reached number 3 in terms of market penetration. Our service providers love that platform. It's got this expanded memory capabilities on it that they can scale then even larger. And for a service provider, it's all about scale.
Yes.
They got to sell massive quantities of things if their business model is really going to work. And then finally on the go-to-market side, we've even innovated around the compensation plans so that the enterprise or direct sales teams that we've got in the field are actually compensated for helping sell a service provider's cloud service.
Oh my gosh.
So we've thought through the entire life cycle plus the compensation and policy changes that need to actually happen, and that's how we're really differentiating ourselves in the market today.
And thanks for that, because I believe 100% from a customer view, that makes everybody a lot more easier to do business with, whether it's Cisco or partners or service providers. Everybody easy business, and they get an unbiased recommendation,
That's
which
right.
is what we should all be about.
And that's what our customers want.
Absolutely.
Right? They build it, buy it as a service, you decide. Let's not get completely parochial about the approach that we want to take.
Do what our customers need.
Absolutely.
Exactly. So Jeff, thank you very much. I'm going to let you get back to your customers.
Okay, very good.
It's always a pleasure seeing you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jennifer.
Right.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Now, from Vibe Extra, this is Jennifer Geisler. Thank you for watching this episode with Jeff Spagnola, VP of Service Provider Sales for the Cloud.